In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dark mode in Jupyter Notebook. If you spend a lot of time in notebooks, dark mode can reduce eye strain and make code easier to read, especially in low-light environments. This guide focuses on the JupyterLab interface, which is the modern experience for Jupyter. If your screen looks different or you don't see a settings menu, you may be using the classic interface. The steps here apply to JupyterLab. Start by opening Jupyter in your browser and navigating to your workspace so you can see the notebook or the JupyterLab launcher. Look toward the top of the window for the menu bar. Click on Settings. This opens the main configuration menu where JupyterLab collects your personalization options. In that Settings menu, move your mouse over Theme. Don't click yet, just hover. A submenu will appear, listing the available themes. You'll see options like JupyterLab Dark and JupyterLab Dark High Contrast. Select the one you prefer. JupyterLab Dark gives you a balanced dark palette that most people find comfortable for everyday use. JupyterLab Dark High Contrast increases the difference between text and background, which can be especially helpful on bright displays or if you prefer stronger visual separation between elements. As soon as you choose a theme, the interface updates immediately. Toolbars, panels, and the notebook editor will switch to dark mode. Your choice is saved in JupyterLab's user settings, so the theme should persist the next time you open Jupyter on the same environment. If you ever want to change it back, return to Settings, hover over Theme, and pick a light theme again. A couple of quick tips as you settle in. If the contrast or font size feels off, adjust your browser zoom or JupyterLab's text size for comfort. Also note that while the interface goes dark, certain outputs, like plots, may keep their own styles. That's normal and separate from the interface theme. If you don't see dark themes listed, you may be on an older JupyterLab build. Updating your environment typically resolves that. That's it. Simple, quick, and easy on the eyes.